Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can join the Roblox TDS Discord server. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your favorite web browser. After that, also open your Discord application or simply go to discord.com and log into your account. Well, after that, go ahead and search for Roblox TDS Discord in the search bar. You will come across various websites. From here, tap on Tower Defense Simulator, which is in discord.com. The initial link, tap on it. And as soon as you do that, you will see the option of accept invite that is highlighted in blue color. Tap on it. You also need to go ahead and read and agree to the rules and conditions in this server. And after verification, you should be able to type in that channel. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.